Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do exercise 4C of D1, that is specially approached on the request of a student. So I will do selective questions of this. Inshallah, when we will take the concept how we are able to solve the variables or we are able to solve the algebra. So inshallah, we will do all the other questions. So simplify each of the following expressions. I will do some selective expressions. So write down the question 1 part A. 1 by 4x plus 1 by 5y minus 1 by 6x minus 1 by 10y. First of all, just need to gather the terms that have the same variable. As we know in the algebra that in minus, in addition and subtraction, same variables, only the coefficient of same variables will be operated. Rather they are add or subtract. So a plus a means that we are working with coefficients, so 2a. But in the multiplication, a multiplied by a means a square. That is the difference. In the multiplication we will work with the powers, and in addition and subtraction we will work with coefficients. So firstly we gather the terms that have the variable x. First is this and second is this. 1 by 4x minus. Okay, whenever shifted the term or gathered the term, kindly look at the sign please and place the symbol or sign carefully. 1 by 6x, then y plus 1 by 5y, and then minus 1 by 10y. I just gathered the terms of same variables. 1 by 4x minus 1 by 6 as written in the question, and 1 by 5y minus 1 by 10y. Now we will do the calculation with the coefficient. X have the coefficient 1 by 4 and here x have the coefficient 1 by 6 with this sign. So from here we will work out with the two terms that have the variable x, that is these two terms. So do the calculation on that. Take the LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 3, and here we will get 1 by 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now, how many times we read out the table of 4 so the 12 term will become? 4 1s are 4, no. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. When we multiply 4 with 3, so 12 will become. Multiply this term 3 with the numerator. So 3 1s are 3. Write down the variable. Then after this sign minus. Now operate with the 6. 6 2s are 12. So again multiply that term 2 with the numerator of term 6. 2 1s are 2x. Same we will done with the terms that have the variable y. The LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 5, whenever we multiply 5 by 2, so 10 will become. So multiply that 2 with the numerator of this fraction that have a denominator of 5. 2 1s are 2. Now write down the variable. Then minus 10 1s are 10, so 1 1s are 1. Y. If there is nothing sign between the 3, so definitely then 3 will have a sign that is plus. Whenever there are opposite sign, plus and minus, terms will be subtracted. But keep in mind, we always place the sign of greater term. We place the sign of the greater terms, but the terms will be subtracted. 3 minus 2, 1. Variable is x divided by 12. And that is your own choice, rather you want to place the sign of plus or not. Then again 2 minus 1 is 1, variable is 5 and divided by 10. So 1 by 12 x plus 1 by 10 y is your answer. Now question 1 part D. We have write down the question. I just write down the question that contain different fraction terms with different variables. So first of all, that we have done the previous step, gather the variables of terms with same variables f and f. So 2f, whenever we select the terms, I write on 1 by 2f. So kindly note down the sign please, that is minus. Then minus 5 by 3h. After this, the other term is plus 5 by 4h. Then plus 9 by 4k minus 28 by 5k. When there is nothing any sign in the denominator, then there is always a 1. So take the LCM of 2 and 1 and that will become 2. How many times to multiply 1 so the term become 2? So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. Multiply that 2 with the numerator. So 2 twos are, what is the coefficient of f is 2. So 2 twos are 4. And the variable, place the variable, write on the variable same as it is. Then 2 ones are 2, multiply by 1, 1 ones are 1f. Same with 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Then how many times to multiply 3 so it become from how terms, from which term we multiply 3 so it become a 12. 3 fours are 12 and 4 fives are 20. 4 threes are 12 and 3 fives are 15. Then next, LCM of 4 and 5. I'm taking the term LCM of the terms that contain the same variable. Now look at the terms k, k. They have the same variables k, k. So I write take the LCM of 4 and 5. That will be 20. 4 fives are 20 and 5 nines are 45. K minus 5 fours are 20. And that will be 112. It's 112k. Now solve the coefficient. 4 minus 1, 3. What is the variable? F. And place the sign of capital term, greater term. So compare 4 is greater or 1 is greater. Definitely 4. So look at the sign of 4. When there is nothing sign, that means this is a plus sign. That is your own choice. Rather you want to write down this sign or not. And denominator is 2. So minus 20h plus 15. Again opposite signs to solve the terms. Whenever they are opposite signs, term will be subtract. 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. And what is the greater term? 20 or 15? Obviously 20. So note down the sign of 20, that is minus, and write it with the term. Which is the variable? What is the variable? H. So we place the variable sign as well. Place the variable as well. Now next is 45 minus 112. Again their opposite sign, term will be subtracted. So 112 minus 45 is 67. Now again place the sign of greater term. 45 is less than 112. So place the sign of 112, that is minus. And denominator is 20. What is the variable? That is k. So we place the variable here. And that is your answer.